Hello everyone, my name is Arshia and today I'm going to show you how you can automate your email services in OutLook using FlowHunt. So first thing first, you must go to the integrations tab and actually integrate OutLook into your FlowHunt. So we can go here, we can find Microsoft Outlook and click on integrate. We can click on integrate new Microsoft Outlook here and we wait for the sign in. We can sign in with our email account, Outlook account, sorry. And just like that, here we can click on accept. And as easy as that, we have Microsoft Outlook integrated into our FlowHunt. So next up, we can go to the Flow library and search for Outlook. Forgot the L. And here it is, Outlook Integration AI Email Answering. So we can add that to our Flow library. And here we have it. So this is a quite simple flow, and we have a trigger here called Outlook New Messages Received, which receives the email information in data format. Therefore, we need a parse data component in order to translate that data into raw text. And the text is then given to the AI agent, which says, your task is to answer the emails based on the knowledge source you're given in the document retriever in a professional manner using the correct tone and format. So it uses the document retriever, which here we can find different documents that we have uploaded. For example, whether that be a custom knowledge base or a schedule, which can be your website, your sitemap, and a custom XML file, or anything of that degree. We can also add other tools so that it can use like Google search. So here, if we click on the tools, we can go Google. We can add Google search and URL retriever so that the AI agent is now able to actually search online for the answers of the emails and construct a very proper email with correct data based off of the internet. And it's as easy as that. So every single time you receive a brand new Outlook message, this flow is executed and it automatically answers to all your emails, just like that. Thank you so much for watching.